For those of you using Adobe Dreamweaver CS4, setting up your site is a little bit different than CS5, which actually made it simpler. But I'm going to show you how to set your site up in CS4. Go to Site, New Site. Let's use the Basic tab. Give your site a name that will make sense to you. That's just for your reference. You can add your address in here if you'd like. I have skipped this step on occasion and it doesn't seem to make any difference, so it's just your server and your username for this particular example. We'll say no here because we're not using any of this advanced technology. Now it wants to know where on your computer are you going to store the files. Inside my Art222 folder, I have a www folder. I'm going to choose that. And now it wants to know how are we going to connect to our remote server, and we are going to choose FTP. The site's pause.flcc.edu is the name of our server. We're going to say www for our folder because that's how it's set up on the server. Your login name and your password. Then we can test the connection. If you get an error, it means something's wrong. So I think I may have put in the wrong password. Now test connection again, and it says server successful. If it takes a long time, then something is probably not right because this usually clicks very quickly. Then let's just hit next. No here because we're going to be the only ones working on this site. Next. You can check over your information here and hit done. And now when you go to your screen with your files and go to the expanded view, you will see over here the site files on your hard drive, and if you connect you will see the files on the remote server. I have quite a few files here because I have already set this up previously and uploaded files. I could always copy them back using the green arrow if I wished. If I make a new file, I will name it index.html because that will be my root file. And from here we will go about entering and uploading your placeholder in the next tutorial.